Good morning, beautiful people. This is day 2 Montreal adventure, and we're still exploring the city. Today we're going to see like Science Centre. It's uCANall channel about life in Canada if you didn't know me. And yeah, we're exploring Montreal in our 1 week adventure. It's going to be Quebec City, Montreal, and today, yeah, just want to mention, take a look how many bikes in here. Like, so this is only one, but just behind me it's a lot. But a bunch of without wheels. Looks like it's pretty possible to get stolen your bike, you know. Anyway, you can get these bikes, like just rental bikes in here, which is actually cool. Something I like to see. If you live in a huge city, that's something I want to see. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. It's going to be an interesting video. And right now we're just trying to find some food because in our hotel we don't have breakfast, and we got something, but it's like cold breakfast, you know. I'm trying to find some eggs, maybe, I don't know, with my family. So yeah, this area close to subway, and I will left a link for this hotel and for this place where you can stay pretty much affordable price and good place to stay. Okay guys, we got some cloudy weather today, but it's not actually cold. So this is Cirque du Soleil, and did you know, guys, so it's actually from Montreal originally, you know, guys. And it's the best place to visit, I believe, in Montreal, but we are not going to do it this time. So the price is, I believe, about $150 for adults, and it's not going to be a good place. So it makes sense to get a bit more expensive price, but better place, you know, to have this good view, you know, without any obstacles on your way, so you can just enjoy the stuff. So I haven't visited this like in my life, like 0 time. The same for my wife. And maybe next time, when we're going to make some more money, we're going to visit this time. So we're trying to find this science museum, and it's going to be, this video is going to be about this museum experience and in Montreal. We have not seen the science museum in Toronto, so we'll try to see in here and then in Toronto, and someday I will compare what actually is better. So yeah, guys, this is old Montreal just behind me. Hey guys, I got my second coffee for today, like this one. The price is actually painful, about $10 for 2 coffee with some tips. And this price for this science museum actually like $100 for your family, like 2 adults and 1 kid, 7 years old guy. So this is something to consider. This is average price here in Canada for any adventure. It should be like entertainment, it should be around $100. Okay guys, not sure if you can hear this. I want to just record some sounds in here, you know, like how noisy it is. It's a bunch of kids in here, and this is really loud. I'm just trying to enjoy when there's no kids in here. This is so quiet, so enjoyable, you know, guys. And yeah, so it's a bunch of entertainments in here, and just try to get some time when it's like no kids in here, so it will be probably more enjoyable time in here without this crowded kids, you know, too much kids. So, you know, guys, so after 2 p.m. probably it makes more sense to visit this place. You will get only 2 hours because it's going to be closed at 4 p.m. So maybe it makes sense to make it in this frame, you know, time frame. So you will get not crowded place, like with no kids, and it should be much more pleasant in here, and you will enjoy watching everything without a bunch of kids. You know what I'm trying to say? So now it's much better, much better. Okay guys, it's still some cloudy weather today, so let's talk about this experience, about this science museum. Frankly guys, we need to talk. I don't like it at all. Like, for $100 it was really boring. I don't know why, but for adults, the same for my wife, like I should say, it was really boring. Nothing to do. It's pretty small, not a bunch of entertainments, I should say. But sorry Montreal, this is my opinion, but for my son it was pretty much enjoyable experience. He was actually jumping everywhere, trying something, and I believe this is actually a place focused for kids, not for adults. But maybe it's something to consider and create some space where actually adults also can enjoy it, because still we're paying like family tickets. It's not only for kids, correct? So this is price not for only my son. It was $100 for everybody, and it wasn't enjoyable for adults. So this is my opinion. I believe you better to go to Biodome. You can find this video on my channel about Biodome. The same price, much more pleasurable price. And another place from here, you can catch this architecture. You know, this Montreal actually well known on the city style of architecture. A bunch of awards, like world's levels awards in here in Montreal, and everything in here. You can find a bunch of stuff with really good architecture. And yeah, this is grain elevator just next to this building. All this area called Old Port, and actually not the best place to visit maybe in the evening time, especially just after 9 p.m. It's not a good idea, but in the daytime, why not? So guys, in the daytime, this waterfront line actually it's really good and enjoyable place to visit, like even with your family. I'm with my son, no problem at all. But in the nighttime, probably I would avoid this place because it's actually a pretty well-known place. It's like extremely unsafe in the nighttime. It's a bunch of stuff in Montreal, if you didn't know, like a bunch of unsafe places in here, which you should be aware. But in here, so much enjoyable place, especially getting this cloudy weather today. It's a really good one, you know, like nice folks in here around. Everything is quiet, and it's pretty warm, by the way. It's May 12th today. So another great spot to share with you guys. I didn't try, not my experience, but this next to this Silo 5, this spa, guys. And you can get some sauna, I believe, in here, maybe some, not sure, but cold plunge. But yeah, this looks like pretty good place to visit, and some restaurants just in here on the bottom level, so you can find this. Okay guys, not the best lighting today, my face is dark. So if you like something like Stalker style, you know, an adventure, like some unusual stuff to see, this is Silo No. 5. It's a good place. It's not working grain elevator, but it's just, I will try to get closer to this one, try to feel this like size, you know, because it's really big. So from here, I will try to make this way and just get closer to this one and show you around, okay guys? Okay guys, so I got really close to these elevators, like this Silo No. 5, like check this out how huge it is, you know guys. And this is something special in this place, I don't know, but this is called Old Port. But please don't go this place like in the evening time, okay? Only in the night, on the daytime, it's actually feel safe, everything is okay. Just for me, I don't know, like for you. And this is not working everything, you know, like this is like so nice place. I don't know if you up for some places like this, check this out, this unusual stuff, and just try to see the Montreal from another side, from just industrial side. Can you imagine how it was, how it used to be before? And yeah guys, another spot, unusual spot to share with you guys. And give me a thumbs up if you like it. By the way, subscribe to my channel. I'm creating a bunch of interesting videos about life in Canada, about interesting places. We are traveling a lot. And yeah guys, thank you so much. Guys, bit unexpected to me, this is actually a working train in here, just right now, just behind my back. And another this dump, you know, just another place to share with you, so must have to visit this place, guys. All these trains, all this style stuff, like this is underground Montreal, I should say. So guys, this is what I'm saying, this is, can you see where we can stand? Just beneath on some bridge, I don't know actually 100% where this place is located, but just next to this grain elevator, guys. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, don't show up in this place in the night time, okay guys? Just promise you, not in the night time, okay? Safety first. Okay guys, I'm wrapping up this vlog, so yeah, I'm having some sauna here, and yeah, I'm sauna guy, I like some extremal stuff, like extremal cold or extremal heating. Usually I'm done it's like in Good Life, it's pretty well known gym in Canada, but this sauna, this hotel actually, yeah, it's not extremely hot, I should say, like, can you see, it's just a pool. I don't know why, but my son didn't like this pool. Looks like it's not a clean water or something. It's some gym. I see some guy working in this gym, kickboxing, and yeah, just enjoy this sauna. It's so relaxing, guys. You know, it's a good stuff before like your night sleep, so you'll get really good sleep. But you should stay hydrated every time if you're taking sauna. Okay, guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this one. It's day 2 in Montreal. Tomorrow we head into Quebec City, and it's going to be 3 days at least in Quebec City. So stay tuned. It's going to be a bunch of videos on my channel. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this one. And don't forget, never stop in exploring. And I will see you in the next one. Bye 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 bye. Peace out.